Morning friends. In last lecture we have discussed last topic, that is frequency distribution table. આ છેલ્લો ટોપિક આપણે લીધો હતો, frequency distribution table. So in this topic what we have completed, તો એની અંદર tally marks આવ્યા હતા હે ને, and number of students. It is called frequency distribution table. Now we go for the group data. એનો આ પણ એક હોમવર્ક પણ આપ્યું હતું હે ને, કે ડોગ કેટલી વાર આવશે, આમ ડોગ, કેટ, ફિશ, રેબિટ. Now dog, how many times are there? So already 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 and 5. આવી રીતે આપણે લાસ્ટ ડિસ્કશન કર્યું હતું. Now today we will go for the group data, grouping data. આજે ડિસ્કસ કેનું કરવાનું છે? ગ્રુપિંગ ડેટા. So for grouping data what we have to first, what is the meaning of group? તો ક્લાસની અંદર આપણે ગ્રુપ બનાવીએ. when projects are there, આપણે પ્રોજેક્ટ કરતા હોય ક્લાસમાં કોઈ, તો 4 to 5 નું ગ્રુપ બનાવીએ. સેમ થિંગ જાજુ બધું ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન્સ હોય, on that time we have to make a grouping. Data regarding choice of subject showed the occurrence of each of the entries several times. For example, art is liked by 7 students. ક્લાસની અંદર જેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ હતા બરાબર, ઉપર mathematics is liked by 5 students, and so on. Table 5.1. This information can be displayed graphically using a pictograph or a bar graph. Sometime, however, we have to deal with large data. Grouping કેના માટે છે? When large data is there, then what we have to do? ક્લાસમાં તમારો ક્લાસ 30 નો હોય તો we can easily find out mathematics and બરાબર, but more and student હોય તો we will go for 9th and 10th. Then in each class 60 students are there. હવે 60 students હોય તો what we have to do? તો એના માટે શું જરૂરી છે? Grouping is necessary. Sometimes, however, we have to deal with large data. For example, consider a following mark out of 50 obtained in mathematics by 60 students of the class 8th. કેટલા છે? Following marks out of 50 obtained in mathematics by 60 students of class 8th. હવે આટલા બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ હોય તો how it is 21 કેટલી વાર આવે? How it is possible? If we will see that, હવે 21 કરીએ બરાબર, તો કેટલું ડિફિકલ્ટ થાય? 21 પછી 10 પછી 30 22. તો 21 કેટલી વાર આવે? તો it is very difficult. આમ ગોતવા જાય તો 1 very difficult, 2 it is very difficult, અને કેટલું બધું થાય. So on that time it is require grouping. જ્યારે ડેટા લાર્જ થઈ જાય ત્યારે ગ્રુપ કરવું જરૂરી છે. Now how we can make a grouping? If we make a frequency distribution table for each observation, then the table would be too long. હવે આનું બહુ લાંબુ થઈ જશે. frequency distribution table બનાવવાનું તો કેટલું લાંબુ થાય? So for the convenience we make a group. એટલા માટે થઈને શું કરવું પડે છે? આપણે ગ્રુપ કરવું પડે. Again I explain, frequency distribution table is not proper way for representing large data. Large data માટે frequency distribution table સરખો ન થાય. એટલા માટે we have to make a grouping. So how we can make a group? That is also important. So we have to find out the lowest digit. આમાં નાનામાં નાનો digit કયો છે? 10. If you will see, so lowest digit is 10. That is called minimum. And maximum digit કયો છે? If you will see, because 60 students are there and out of 50 marks, so 50 તો maths ની અંદર very difficult, so 49 is there, or 50 is also there, so 50 is maximum. So 10 is minimum and 50 is maximum. So 10 grouping કરવું પડશે. 10 10 10 0 to 10 10 to 20 and so on, and obtain the frequency distribution on the number of observation falling on each. એટલે એ શું કહે છે? તમારે કેમ ગ્રુપિંગ કરવું પડશે? તો કે 0 to 10 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. હવે આની અંદર જોઈએ તો 0 to 10, 10 is not included always. એટલે 0 to 9 વાળા છે that we have to see. આમાં 0 to 9 વાળા છે તો કે yes 7 is there. છે બીજા કોઈ is any 5 is there. So 2 frequency થશે આમાં 5 and 7 if you will see properly. Now 10 to 20, so we have to see that 10 is also included. 10 to 20, 20 is not included. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 20 is not included. So 9, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 and 4. આ તો મેં ખાલી 2 નું કર્યું આવી રીતે. હવે let we see that છે. Okay, so here it is 2, અહીંયા 10 છે, so we are missing something, है ना? तो એવી રીતે you have to find out. And if we'll draw frequency distribution table તો આવું થાય. Group data, it is called group data. So group, it is called grouped data frequency distribution table. When grouped are there, so 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Again 10 is not included in first 0 to 10 group. 20 is not included. Here 10 is not included. Always remember. And 20 is not included. The 30 is not included. 40 is not included. Next class માં જતું રહીએ. It is called frequency distribution group data or group frequency distribution table. Most of the students have scored between 20 to 40. હવે કેમ ખ્યાલ આવશે maximum તો અહીંયા ખબર પડી જશે. Mostly students have got the maximum 10 to 40 ની 20 ની વચ્ચે marks. Maximum students have got 10 to 40. 10 થી લઈને 40 સુધી માર્ક્સ આવ્યા છે. કેને તો કે વધારે વધારે. How many students are there who has got between 10 to 40? તો 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So 60 માંથી 50 સ્ટુડન્ટ એવા છે જેને માર્ક્સ જે 50 સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ are there between 10 to 40. Now less than 10, so only 2. Greater than 40, that is 8. So here 8 students have scored more than 40 marks out of 50. 50 માંથી 40. તો 40 मतलब 80% થયા. 80% above કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ છે? Only 8. Now what is called this? 0 to 10 ને શું કહેવાય? 10 to 20 ને શું કહેવાય? 20 to 30 ને શું કહેવાય? It is called class interval. It is called class interval. It is called class interval. So first topic that is, it is called grouped frequency distribution. Each group, આમાં કેટલા group છે? How many groups are there? If you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It depends on us how we can make. Now observation that 10 occur in both classes, that is 0 to 10, between 0 to 10 as well as 0 to 20. Similarly 20 occur in class, હું હમણાં જે વાત કરી હતી એ જ, બરાબર? And similarly 20 occur in class 10 to 20 and 20. But it is not possible that an observation say 10 or 20 can be belong simultaneously to both class. બેયમાં કંઈ 10 એડ કરાય નહીં. 0 to 10 and 20, 10 to 20. હવે બેયમાં 10 એડ કરી શકાય? Not possible. So 10 belong to the class interval 10 to 20. To avoid this, we adopt the convention that the common observation will belong to the higher class. બેની વચ્ચે જે common object 10 is common between this, તો એને higher classમાં જવા દેવાનું. So we have to include 10 at here, not at here. Similarly, 20 હોય તો એને higher classમાં nextમાં જવા દેવાનું. So 20 belong to 20 to 30 and not to 10 to 20. In the class interval 10 to 20, 10 is called lower class limit. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So 0, 10 and 20 are called lower. આ બધાને શું કહેવામાં આવે છે? Lower class limit. Lower class limit. It is called lower class limit. Here these are all called upper class limit. Upper class limit. And lower class limit, lower digit, lower left hand side, left right કરીએ આપણે left અને right. તો left hand side જે હોય, these are all the lower class limit. Right hand side, that is called upper class limit. So always remember. Now one more point, that is width or size of the class interval. If you will see everywhere same, 10, 10, 10, 10 in this case. So observe the difference between upper class limit and lower class limit for each of the class interval is equal 10 in this case. This difference between the upper, again, difference between the upper class and lower class limit is called width or size of the class interval. એને શું કહેવામાં આવે છે? Width or size of the class interval. So કેટલા information મળ્યા? Class interval first topic, second lower class limit, third upper class limit, and fourth width or size. And it is group data. When observations are large data hoy to group કરવું પડે. It is called group frequency distribution table. Now we have to try this. કે આનો જવાબ આપશું જે આનું છે. So here 150 to 175, that is 55. 175 to 200, that is 125. 200 to 225, that is 140. 225 to 250, that is 55. ઘણા બધા ડેટા મોટા છે, બરાબર. So up to 550. We have now tried to do this yourself, કેમ કે it is try this છે. ખાલી એકનું આન્સર આપી દઉં. What is the size of class interval? અને class interval ની size કેટલી છે? તો we can say 25. Which class has the highest frequency? So we can see that highest frequency કેમાં છે? 140 છે, 140 or only 140 is there. So 140 is the highest frequency. 140 is the highest frequency. Which class has the lowest frequency? ઓછામાં ઓછી કેને છે? તો કે 20. Which class has the highest frequency? 140. So here they are asking. So 200 to 225. Which class has the lowest frequency? Which class has the highest frequency? That is 200 to 225. Which class is the lowest frequency? So 300 to 325. What is the upper limit of? The upper limit matlab 275. Which two class have the same frequency? કોને same frequency છે? તો here. So 150, 175, 225, 250. So you have to do it yourself. So now these are all the try this. So you have to do it yourself. Already I have cleared it. Second example, construct a frequency distribution table for the data on weight. So question number 2, એને પણ we can do it. So 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45, 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. Observation find out. Lowest observation કયું છે? 31. 31 is the lowest. 31 is the minimum. અને મોટું observation કયું છે? 60. So maximum. So now 30 to 35, 35 to 40. Now 35 to 30 to 35. So 30 to 35. 1, 2, 3. So I have to write 1, 2 and 3 and I have to write at here 0, 3. કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ કરવાના છે? 20. 35 to 40. So 35 to 40. 35 to 40 is not included. 35 to 40. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 4. 40 to 45. So 40 is included now. 40 to 45. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 0, 4. 45 to 50. 45 to 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 4. Sorry. Now 50 to 55. 50 to 55. 55 is not included. So 1, 40. See, 45 to 50. તો આ તો રહી ગયું છે. So one more at here. It is called 4. 4 નું બંચ કરશું. So we have to say 5. 46 રહી ગયું હતું ને એટલા માટે. Now 50 to 55. 50 to 55. So only 1, 1. So 1, 0, 1. 55 to 60. 1, let's go. 50 to 55. Now 55 to 60. And 60 to 65. So 55 is here. So again 1, 0, 1. Now 60 and 65. 60 and 65. So here 2. Now we have to total it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 and 11 and 5, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So that way you have to draw. Now in next topic we can draw the bar with difference. So it's a one type of frequency distribution table. હતો frequency distribution table. Now we have to convert into a bar graph. હવે શું કેમાંથી convert કરવાનો છે? Bar graph we have to convert. How we can draw the bar graph? આપણે bar graph એમાંથી કેમ convert કરી શકશું? That is important for us. See, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. So on x-axis I have to write 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And in y-axis that is called vertical. Here it is horizontal. Vertically કેટલું છે maximum? 21. Minimum કેટલું છે? 1. So I have to write 0. It's a difference. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 and 20 and 22. Now 0 to 10, 2. So I have to write 0 to 10, 2. So make a right. It is called bar. Continuous. It is called continuous bar. So bar with difference. Now 10 to 20. So 10 to 20 is 10. So I have to shift from here. અહીંથી લઈ જવાનું. that way આમ. Afterward 20 to 31, so અહીંયાથી જ આમ. But use scale, always scale ને use કરવાની. So you can bar, if you will see that different bar, but continuous bar is there. So in this graph, in any way different from the bar graph which you have drawn in class 7th, આ bar graph છે પણ continuous છે. So group of observations are there. So table 5.1. So horizontal axis and vertical axis are there. The height of the bar shown, frequency of the class interval, and there is no gap between bar, so there is a no gap between the class interval. So graphical represent of the data in this manner is called histogram. એને શું કહેવામાં આવે છે? Histogram. So in homework you have to draw one histogram related with figure 5.2. Clear? When observations are more, જો પેલા 0 to 10 ના બદલે 0 to 20, so we have to make a kink. It is called kink. Zag line or broken line has been used along the horizontal line to indicate that we are not showing the number between 0 to 20. 0 to 20 ની વચ્ચેના નંબર ન ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરવા હોય તો zigzag કરી દેવાનું. And here these are all the bars. એની નો ગેપ, એમાં કોઈ ગેપ રહે નહીં. અને ક્લાસ હોય 45 to 50 તો એનો ઇક્વલ જ હાઇટ હોય, હાઇટ ચેન્જ થાય નહીં. સો figure 5.2 and figure 5.1, you have to draw figure 5.1 and figure 5.2 and try this yourself to give the answer. હવે પણ ટ્રાય કરી સમજાવી દે. How many teachers are of age 45 years or more than and less than 50? 45 કરતા મોટા હોય અને less than 50 એવા કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ છે? 45 ટીચર. How many teachers are age of 45 or more but less than 50? 45 કરતા મોટા હોય પણ less than 50 તો કેટલા ટીચર છે? 5. How many teachers are age is less than 35? 35 થી નાના કેટલા? તો કે આ બધા. So that way you have to give the answer. અહીંયા પણ આપણે કહી શકીએ the answer. Maximum, minimum frequency. Maximum frequency is between 20 to 30, that is 21. Lowest frequency is between 50 to 60, that is 1. So here is all the practical use. આ એના practical use થઈ ગયા. What information is giving this histogram? તો કે relation of number of girls of class 7th and their height. આ કેનું રિલેશન છે? ગર્લ્સ અને એના રેફરન્સમાં હાઇટ. Which group contain maximum girls? તો કે 140 to 145 વાળી ગર્લ્સ કેટલી છે? 7. So આમાં ઘણી બધી ઇન્ફોર્મેશન we can get. Try to do it yourself. Okay. So now in next lecture we have to complete exercise 5.1. So you have understand properly. So that is sufficient for today's lecture.